My name is Govind Khore.
My name is Aniruddha Pancha.
My name is Snehal Rengde.
My name is Vaishnavi Chatti.
My name is Gayatri Shinde.
We are the final year student of College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapith, Parvani. We are working under the project of restoration and modification of irrigation modules present in the irrigation laboratory.
This irrigation lab includes modules such as aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, Gibbs module, etc., which we have learned under the course of canal irrigation management.
Rather than this, we are studying modified and restored models such as centrifugal pump, reciprocating pump, tube well, etc.
After the process of restoration and modification of audio modules, we have prepared a leaflet like this, and additional to this, we have added a video in the form of QR code. Let us take the example of aqueduct module. This aqueduct module comes under the topic of cross drainage work. Cross drainage work is constructed at the crossing of canal and the natural drain. Cross drainage work is mainly constructed in three conditions: when canal passes over the drainage, and canal passes through the drainage, and canal passes below the drainage. When canal passes over the drainage, that time we construct the two models, which is nothing but the aqueduct module and the siphon aqueduct. When the HFL, means high flow level of the drain, is sufficiently below the bottom of the canal, that time we construct the aqueduct module at that place. This is the theoretical information about the aqueduct modules. Additional to this, we have added a video of aqueduct modules in the form of QR.
Now let us discuss about the QR code. QR code is a type of barcode that can be scanned with your smartphone or tablets. If one scan, it can be provided to you a wide variety information from the URL website to your contact details.
Now you know what a QR code is. Let us discuss about how to handle them effectively. First step in using a QR code is to open the Google Lens app. Then you have to scan the QR code in the viewfinder. Then open the link. It is better to understand about the models through these videos.
Hope you find the information useful. Thank you for watching.